Hi, Bong Alkaidi here. Mag-review ulit tayo ng pabango. Sa video na to, let's try to review Hawas Black. So, kalalabas lang nito last year. 2025 na ngayon. Yes. Ayan. First batch. Ginagawa ko kasi pag may first batch, nagtatabi ako agad ng 3 bote. 2 bote, tinatago ko, and then yung isa is ginagamit ko na daily. So, ayan, marami ng bawas. So, this one, let's talk about the notes and accords. And this one opens up woody, citrus, fresh. And then sa mid note, may pagka-fruity and earthy. And then aromatic, amber na. Kasi may sa dry down, mas malakas yung oak moss niya. And then the woody notes. Meron ding patchouli to, and then pineapple and grapefruit, no? So you can check sa Fragrantica, no, yung mga notes and accords for your reference lang, no? Projection, maganda yung projects well. Noticeable ka when you enter the room, or when you enter or may dumaan ka, manonotice ka kagad. Ang lakas ng project niya. Parang yung aura mo around 2 to 3 meters, I think. And then longevity is 6 to 8 hours or more. Compliments, I don't know, hindi pa ako naka-try kasi ginagamit ko lang to pagka malamig. For me, pantapat ko siya kay NOI ni Supremacy, not only Intense. Kasi they have a similar DNA. And may yung ginagaya nila. And then, mas malakas lang yun. Mas gusto ko lang yung profile ni NOI. But you can never go wrong with this one too. Good na good siya sa formal date night. Formal wear. Imagine mo sarili mo naka black tie and suit. Suotin mo to, bagay na bagay yun doon. And then date nights. And then I won't wear this anytime kasi it's not for hot weather. Date nights and formal wear is good occasion or event na suotin mo to. And yun na yung best season niya, or best time to wear it. And then downside, wala akong nakikita downside to this one. I rate this one around 8/10 kasi I like Hawas. And then I like rin yung DNA niya. Kung mahilig ka sa fruity opening like pineapple, and then earthy, and then woody and amber notes, spicy, eto na yon. So, may DNA siya ni Aventus, may DNA din siya ni Hasibat, no? Pero good na goods. Mabenta to sa store ko. So, ayun. Hawas. Next video tayo. Re-review ko na ibang pabango. Thank you guys for watching. See you sa next video.